In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson L355 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. And into Google, you want to search for Epson L355 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson L355. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu, and then select Go. And then select the driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and download that item and give that a moment. And then once it's on your machine, just want to go ahead and open up that file. It should be from a signed, verified publisher, Epson. Go ahead and select Yes. Allow the file to extract here. And then you can select your language, follow along with the on-screen prompts from here, selecting your preferred connection type, whether it's wired or wireless, as well as optional features you may want to install alongside of your printer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.